Primeiro-Ministro Enkontru, Halao Enkontru a Delegasaun Husi Televizaun Austrália, Broadcasting Corporation, hasai capacidade para jornalista Sira. Delegasaun Husi Austrália é composto Husi Austrália Broadcasting Corporation EBC, International Broadcasting and Digital Service Update, em RTTL Partnership, Nisvozing EBC International Development, Timor-Leste Media Development Proposal, Joelson Karins Rosveri, acompanhado do vice-presidente do Conselho de Administração RTTL, José Antônio Velo Taraleu, e a Palácio Governo dele quarta-feira semana. Encontro atualiza para o primeiro-ministro Enkontru com a cooperação e capacidade de jornalista no troca conteúdo Husi Media Austrália no Média Timor-Leste.
We were very honoured to be accepted by the Prime Minister today to have his time, and the message was that he was fully supportive, and anything that the Prime Minister could do to support the relationship and cementing the relationship between Australia and Timor-Leste and RTTL and ABC, he would be extremely supportive of. So we are very honoured and pleased to have the support of the country because it really shows that media thrives and communities thrive when there are healthy media, when we can all support media independence and work closely together. So the Prime Minister sees this as an extension of relationships between our peoples and our countries, and we are very pleased and grateful.
E a ocasião, primeiro-ministro foi apoio à cooperação entre a Televizaun no ramete em relação ao povo Timor-Leste no povo Austrália. Reportagem Marquita da Silva, a Guida de Jesus, Televizaun Timor-Post.